What's up, LNS fam?
My name is Farlan.
And this is Manuel, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today, as you can see, we will be reviewing Yeezy
350 V2
Yeezreel. So this is in the reflective and non-reflective version. Let's go!
Before we start this video, don't forget we have two ongoing giveaways. The first one is we're giving away up to 4 Yeezy 380 Alien.
And the second giveaway, we're giving away up to 20,000 worth of sneaker shopping to one of you guys or one of our subscribers. All you need to do is check out the description box down below for all the details. So guys, as you can see, we have the reflective and non-reflective version of the Yeezreels. So this was released when? December
14, I think.
December 14, and the retail price is $220 US. So for both, I think the reflective is $230 if I'm not mistaken, a little bit, or $250, a little bit more expensive than the regular version. So Fro, you want to discuss the upper? This is actually sort of a different or kind of unique colorway of the Yeezy 350 V2 because we're all used to the monochromatic tonal or a boring colors, right? So yeah, let's start with this pair. This is the non-reflective. So I actually got this pair queuing in one of the release of Yeezy in the Philippines, here in the Philippines. I got this from the Adidas original store in the BGC. So this one basically has the static pattern. So that the static is actually black. It looks blue, but it's actually black. And the base color is neon green, or more close to the Yeezy Glow with the static print in black. So you have your typical boot-like construction for the Yeezy 350 V2, and in the bottom you have this semi-translucent or milky green color. Of course, the exposed boost in the bottom.
The brighter outsole.
It's more of a yellowish color. It's more bright. Now, a lot of people were asking if these were glow in the dark. Initially, I thought that this were glow in the dark, but apparently, yeah, it was announced that it's not glow in the dark. The glow in the dark version is the reflective version.
Oh, so this one is glow in the dark and reflective.
Yes, this is glow in the dark and reflective. However, this one is just plain. So this has similarities with the frozen yellow, and the glow in the dark. However, the frozen yellow I think is a little bit lighter than this.
And the color in that is a little bluish.
Yes, this one looks bluish, but it's actually black. It's actually black. So now, how would you recognize which one is the static reflective and the non-reflective? So the non-reflective, similar to the Yeezreel or Yeezreel, this has a little bit more lighter pattern. You could see lighter pattern. It's more like white. There's a white stitching. There's a white stitching. This one is pure black and green. This one has a white stitching, which is that is the reflective.
I can see it in the green part.
Yeah. So that makes this sneakers reflective. So you want to discuss about it, Troy?
So yeah, as Manuel was saying, the reflective thread is embedded both in the black part and in the green part of the weave here. So that's why it has a
reflective,
like a white stitching on the green part here.
Yes.
So that's the only difference. And of course, the glow in the dark outsole.
So the outsole is actually similar to the Yeezy Glows.
Okay.
However, the upper, the laces doesn't glow. Only the midsole and the outsole. So I've tried it already. and it actually really glows. However,
The upper
doesn't glow, the laces doesn't glow, compared to the Yeezy glows where everything glows except for this line.
aside from the piping.
The piping, yes, everything glows. So this one, even the pull tab glows. For this pair, it's
Just the midsole,
the
outsole.
So now, what can you say about this colorway, Roy?
So actually, yeah, it really reminds me of the frozen yellow and
Glow in the dark.
the glows. So personally, I won't get for myself.
You're not into, well, you're not into 350s anyway.
Yeah, not into 350s and not into bright sneakers.
Bright color.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like this one. In fact,
that's why you got them both.
yeah. Well, I got the Yeezreel also. I got it both. I think I slightly prefer this one over the Yeezreel for the reason of it being more unique. I think it's more unique compared to the other colorways of the Yeezys. And if you
Because
compare
there's
this,
only two green 350s.
apart from this, yeah.
Three. So there's total of 3 greens.
Yeah. The rest are all black or gray or on the similar shade. So this is kind of unique, but I prefer this one because this one glows in the dark and it's reflective. Not this one. If I'm gonna be, I prefer,
picking one.
Yeah, I'll prefer this one because of the uniqueness of it. Because this is the only one, the only Yeezy 350 V2.
I think it's the only shoe.
The only shoe that glows in the dark
And it's reflective.
and reflects. It's the only sneaker. So this is definitely a very, very unique shoe. And I'm actually wondering why the value of these sneakers,
Resale price.
the resale price is not that high. I think it's only about 350 to 400.
Ah, really? This one?
Yeah, this one.
Or this one?
This one. This one is only 200 something.
Ah, okay.
This internationally, this was sitting. In the Philippines, of course, obviously,
Sold out.
sold out. However, the resale price of this one, you can still get it at 16,000 or 15,000 pesos for some. Retail price of this in the Philippines is 13,000 and people are selling it at 15,000 pesos. So that's why I was supposed to get extra pairs of these from abroad. However, including shipment and
Everything is tax.
and taxes, it comes out more expensive than the resale value. So that's why I didn't get it. So that's the issue with this one. But I think soon enough, this one will once all the stocks have been used or bought, I think this one, especially for this one, because this is definitely one of the most unique sneakers, period. Unique sneakers, because where can you see a glow in the dark and reflective version? Now, I remember last time we discussed that the Yeezreel was the last one that will have the static pattern. Well, apparently the new versions, the Yeezreel has a static pattern as well. And the Yeezreel actually is exactly the same as a little bit lighter, I think, than the static, the original static. It's almost the same.
But has gum outside.
It has a, not really gum, lightly gum. It's not full gum, but it's like,
I think, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think they have a reason why they release
I heard
like that.
Yeah, I heard something, but I haven't really done my research on that.
I think
They're saying that there's a reason why the 350s are like that and why they're still making 350s, because there's a lot lined up. There's like 8 more colorways.
but for this year it's gonna be a little different, right?
It's a little bit different because like there are some that has a monochromatic color over here, but the pull tab is different. Some has a different piping and color. Some I've seen I think it's called cinder. It's like the black static with gum sole. And then there's a lot of
There's a lot of upcoming releases.
yeah. And
I thought they were finished with the 350.
That's what I
thought.
thought.
The 380.
That's what I thought, but I think that's probably why they, instead of using a V3 350, they made it a 380 so that they could still continue, because this is definitely the most popular Yeezy.
This is the most popular one.
This is the most popular Yeezy that Kanye or Yeezy have ever made. So they want to continue the Yeezy 350 line. And instead of making a version 3 or a V3 of the Yeezy 350, they just created a 380 to have a different silhouette.
So, do you like these sneakers?
You like this colorway?
If you have any comments, just use the comment section down below.
We love to hear from you guys.
And by the way, before we go, we have 2 ongoing giveaways. The first one is we're giving away up to 4 Yeezy 380 Alien.
And the second giveaway is we're giving away up to 20,000 worth of sneaker shopping to one of you guys. All you need to do, check out the description box down below. Anyway guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Froilan.
This is Manuel.
Until next time.